In order to cast content from specific apps, such as YouTube or Netflix, to your TV using Google Cast, you'll need to ensure that your TV set and your mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Settings menu on your mobile device. Please note that the location of this option may vary per app. Select the option Cast Screen from the Settings menu. Find your TV set and select it. The app content will then be cast to the TV screen. If you would like to stop casting, simply select your TV's name on your mobile device again. Be aware that the location of this option may also differ per app.